Good morning,
Good morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Himanshu.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I'm geography. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, beta, geography will continue. Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Abhay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Tina.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Pavni. बेटा हर्ष क्या मीटिंग से आउट हो गए हैं?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Gargi.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Nena.
Ma'am, can I join with another device?
What happened?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, there is some network issue. There was a network issue, but now it is stable. So I would attend from my laptop.
Okay, fine, fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Yash. Right, we were doing geography.
Yes, ma'am, we have started the chapter.
We have started the chapter 5.
Okay, we started with the chapter. And how much we have done?
We were discussing that under querying, like, how we can.
Ma'am, we were discussing types of mining querying.
Yes, right. Fine. So we need to proceed on, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
ये XYZ कोई लिख के ला रहा है. Who is this XYZ? Let it be. I think we discussed about the occurrence of minerals, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we need to carry on with the
We have to start from ferrous minerals.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second, just a second. Right. We have to start from the ferrous minerals, or you can say that now we'll be reading about we have read that paragraph where it is given that the mineral resources in our country are unevenly distributed.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Read that paragraph. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Fine. So before you start reading, let me ask you, we all know that in our country, the mineral resources are not concentrated at one place. They are completely unevenly distributed. So can anyone in the class tell me that what could be the reason for this uneven distribution?
Ma'am, due to uneven relief features throughout India.
Due to uneven what?
Relief features.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, due to uneven climatic conditions.
Yes. This could be one reason.
Uneven soil types.
Ma'am, even like not available
Ma'am,
the
the type of
raw
sand.
materials.
What did you say, Nana and Gargi both?
Ma'am, I said the type of bedrock present at the place.
Okay. Okay. Nana?
Tectonic plate movement can also
Ma'am, I said that
differ
the
in
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, I said that due to the difference in the climatic conditions and the raw materials which are required for it.
No.
Ma'am, vastness of our country.
Soil
See,
types.
see
The more rocky areas.
From different types of rocks.
ये तो सबसे बड़ा रीजन है ही भाई. देखो सीधी सी चीज है. We can directly say that because of the different physiographic divisions that the country has, and as Yash said, the climatic condition, the geographical conditions that are prevailing. These
And
two
the physical properties.
and the physical.
Ma'am, the physical features are the properties which India have.
Exactly. See, when we talk about the physiographic divisions of the country, we all know. Acha, can anybody in the class tell me? Chalo, Jujhar. Are you there, Jujhar?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the physiographic divisions of the country?
Yes, ma'am. Mountains, plains,
Hmm.
plateaus,
Okay.
and ma'am, islands, desert.
Fine. Now, can Pavni tell me that what kind of resources what kind of minerals we can get from the mountains? Can we get any resource or not?
Ma'am, like
Yes.
ma'am, I don't really know about it.
May I?
Okay, Naina.
The minerals which are obtained from rocks can be found here.
Okay, fine. Akansha.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you
Yes,
have?
ma'am.
What kind of resources can we obtain from the mountain region? Can we obtain any mineral resources from there?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. What about the plateau region?
Ma'am, I think we can obtain resources from
What-
there as well.
Okay. From what kind of resources do you feel that we can have from the plateau region? Huh?
Ma'am, I'm
Yes.
not sure.
But still you can try. Okay, Yash.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can obtain
And basically metallic resources like iron from plateau regions and from mountains.
oxide.
And from mountains we can obtain hydrostatic energy by the water that are falling from the mountains.
Very good. Very good. The geothermal energy that these mountain areas have, that can also be utilized, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what about The coastal region.
Ma'am, tidal resource.
Tidal energy. Very good. We can utilize the coastal. See, most of the what do you call? Most of the mineral oil that we have, we get it from the coasts, right? Bombay High अगर आप देखो,
Yes, ma'am.
कोई देखो, नाहरकटिया देखो, ये हाँ, all these areas they are on the coastal areas only. These are on the coast only. ये हर्ष तोमर सी फिर से कोई आ रहा है देखो. हर्ष, are you there in the class? हाँ, आप हो क्लास में. चलिए.
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
हाँ, got it. चलिए. So see, the major reason for the uneven distribution of the resources is that because in our country different physiographic divisions are there due to different climatic conditions that are prevalent, different geographical factors that are working. They all are responsible for uneven distribution, right? Though, like if we talk about the plateau area, we all know that most of the iron coal we get from the plateau region only, be it Malwa Plateau, be it Deccan Plateau, or the, which is the third one?
Chota Nagpur
Chota
Plateau.
Nagpur Plateau.
Very good. It is the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Very good. Now,
Ma'am,
this yes, Puneet?
No, ma'am.
चलिए ठीक है, इतना क्लियर हुआ. So let us have Akansha reading. Akansha, do you have the book with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to read from India is fortunate to have fairly rich and varied mineral resources.
Ma'am, could you just guide me the page number? I'm lost.
It is on 52. Page 52, left hand side, last paragraph. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
There is a map on page 52.
There is a map on page 52. Maybe she has the old book.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Map is on 54.
Then it is fine. Chalo, carry on, Akansha.
India
Ma'am,
is
in my book
fortunate.
it's 52.
बेटा हमने 52 ही तो बोला बच्चे, पेज नंबर.
No, ma'am, the map is on page 52.
चलो ठीक है, whatever it is. You carry on, Akansha.
Ma'am, in the old book it is.
ठीक है, हमें क्या करना है, हमारे पास तो न्यू बुक्स है ना. चलो carry on.
Yes, ma'am.
India is fortunate to have fairly rich and varied mineral resources. However, these are unevenly distributed. Broadly speaking, peninsular rocks contain most of the reserves of coal, metallic minerals, mica, and many other non-metallic minerals. Sedimentary rocks on the western and eastern flanks of the peninsula in Gujarat and Assam have most of the petroleum deposits. Rajasthan, with the rock systems of the peninsula, has reserves of many non-ferrous minerals. The vast alluvial plains of North India are most devoid of economic minerals. These variations exist largely because of the differences in the geological structure, processes, and time involved in the formation of minerals. Let us now study the distribution of a few major minerals in India. Always remember that the concentration of mineral in the ore, the ease of extraction, and closeness to the market play an important role in affecting the economic viability of a reserve. Thus, to meet the demand, a choice has to be made between a number of possible options. When this is done, a mineral deposit or reserve turns into a mine. Ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals account for about 3/4 of the total value of the production of metallic minerals. They provide a strong base for the development of metallurgical industries. India exports substantial quantities of ferrous minerals after meeting her internal demands. Iron ore. Iron ore is the basic mineral and the backbone of industrial development.
Okay, wait,
India's
Akansha, wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, Now see, we'll be reading about the metallic, ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. You will be given what you people have already done all these things in your science also, and here it is like in class 8th also is the same thing you have done, but here you need to remember the uses of various ferrous and non-ferrous minerals, because you may get questions based on it. 3 marks question, mostly you get 3 marks questions for the uses of various minerals which are there, right? They may ask you, how is copper useful for us? How is what do you call this, aluminum is useful for us? Then they may ask you that what all is this what do you call manganese that you have. They may ask you that what is manganese used in producing for. So these kind of uses that are coming, you need to remember them. You can underline them in your books, and later on I'll give you questions which are based on these uses one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Akansha,
Okay,
continue.
ma'am.
Akansha,
Okay,
continue.
ma'am.
Iron ore is the basic mineral and the backbone of industrial development. India is endowed with fairly abundant resources of iron ore. India is rich in good quality iron ore. Magnetite is the finest iron ore with a high content of iron up to 70%. It has excellent magnetic qualities, especially valuable in the electrical industry. Hematite ore is the most important industrial iron ore in terms of the quantity used, but has a slightly lower iron content than magnetite, 50 to 60%. The major iron ore belts in India are: first, Odisha Jharkhand belt. In Odisha, high-grade hematite ore is found in Badampar mines in the Mayurbhanj and Kendujhar districts. In the adjoining Singhbhum district of Jharkhand, hematite iron ore is mined in Goa and Noamundi. Second, Durg Bastar Chandanpur belt lies in Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra. Very high-grade hematites are found in the famous Bailadila range of hills in the Bastar district of Chhattisgarh. The range of hills comprise of 14 deposits of super high-grade hematite iron ore. It has the best physical properties needed for steel making. Iron ore from these mines is exported to Japan and South Korea via Vishakhapatnam port. Third, Ballari, Chitradurga, Chikamagaluru,
Chikmagalur.
Tumakuru belt in Karnataka has large reserves of iron ore.
Achha, Akansha, wait. Somebody is asking me, what is metrology? Metrological industries. Can anybody tell?
Metal industries.
Yes. What is metallurgy?
The study about metals.
It is
Study
a
of metal.
yes.
Study of
Yes, Yash.
Ma'am, study of metal is known as metallurgy.
Okay. And what is the process called where pure metal is extracted?
Mining.
Extraction.
I'm refining.
I'm refining.
Tell.
I'm refining.
Refining.
But metallurgy is basically, metallurgy is defined as a process which is used for extraction of metals. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It is a process. It is a process of purification of the metals, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You must have
Yes,
done science. Science में करा होगा आप लोगों ने ये, या तो अभी करोगे आप लोग. metals and non metals chapter है शायद आप लोगों को ना.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
You
start.
will be doing it. हाँ, you will be doing it. ठीक है? चलिए. Fine. बेटा ये जो
Excuse me,
chapter
ma'am.
है, हाँ, yes, Gargi.
Ma'am, what is meant by high grade hematite ore?
बेटा जो ores होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं आपको पता है?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या होते हैं ores? जिनमें metal concentrated होते हैं, right?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना। तो हाई ग्रेड मतलब अच्छी क्वालिटी का, गुड क्वालिटी का जो है जो आयरन मिलता है वो आपको, वो आपका आई थिंक हेमेटाइट है शायद, है ना, नहीं मैग्नेटाइट, मैग्नेटाइट इज द फाइनेस्ट, फाइनेस्ट दिस थिंग। तो जो वो कह रहा है कि हाई ग्रेड ओर का मतलब ये हुआ कि उसके अंदर से जो है प्योर, उसके उसके अंदर से जो हाई, जो गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ आयरन, आयरन है वो हम उसमें से एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं उस ओर में से, ठीक है। जैसे बॉक्साइट में से हम एल्यूमिनियम एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं, और
Yes,
आयरन
ma'am.
ओर, आयरन
Yes,
ओर में से
sir.
हम क्या करते हैं, हम आयरन एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं, ठीक है।
Iron.
हाँ ठीक है, चलो ओके। कैन वी हैव जुझार रीडिंग नाउ?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा एक चीज और बता दें हम, जब हम लोग बेटा देखो आयरन, आयरन ओर्स जो होते हैं उनको एक्सपोर्ट करना थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट टास्क होता है, क्योंकि अगर आप सॉलिड उसको आप एक्सपोर्ट करना चाहोगे तो आप ज्यादा, आप उसको नहीं कर पाते हो। तो आयरन ओर्स जो हैं उनको आप स्लरी के फॉर्म में, उनको आप जो थिक लिक्विड होता है उसके फॉर्म में भी आप ट्रांसपोर्ट कर सकते हो थ्रू पाइपलाइंस। ये पाइपलाइंस जो हैं ये रिसेंट डेवलपमेंट है इन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन। पहले बहुत सारी चीजों को, जो लिक्विड चीजें थी उनको ट्रांसपोर्ट करने में बड़ा बड़ा मतलब टाइम लगता था, एंड मोर ओवर बिकॉज ऑफ द डिस्टेंसेस ऑल्सो कॉस्ट बहुत ज्यादा आती थी। पर जब से पाइपलाइंस जो है इंट्रोड्यूस हुए हैं एज ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, उससे जो है हमारा बहुत सारी चीजों का कॉस्ट जो है तो कम हो गया है। वो अलग बात है कि इनके लेइंग डाउन में इनिशियल कॉस्ट बहुत ज्यादा आती है, बट एक बार डलने के बाद पाइपलाइंस एक बार जब पड़ जाती हैं उसके बाद जो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन है इट बिकम्स वेरी इजी। अगर आप देखो ये जो आपका गुजरात से जो है यूपी में जगदीशपुर जो है, यहाँ पे जितना भी जो भी है एलपीजी या जो भी पेट्रोलियम ट्रांसपोर्ट होता है वो जो है थ्रू पाइपलाइंस ही होता है, राइट।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, ये जो पाइपलाइंस होती हैं, पाइपलाइंस का
Yes, sir.
अगर आप देखो तो ये बहुत यूजफुल होती हैं, क्योंकि इसमें जो है कोई ट्रैफिक का कोई डर नहीं होता है, किसी चीज का नहीं होता है। एक बार आपने पाइपलाइंस के अंदर इन लिक्विड को डाला और ये लिक्विड अल्टीमेटली कहाँ जाके रुकेगा, जहाँ पे ये रिक्वायर्ड है, जहाँ पे इसकी जरूरत है, जहाँ पे ये ट्रांसपोर्ट होना है, अल्टीमेटली ये वहीं पे जाके जो है उसको आप निकाल सकते हो। तो इससे जो है एक तो फ्यूल का कॉस्ट खत्म हो जाता है, कोई ट्रांसपोर्टेशन चार्जेस नहीं होते हैं आपको, कोई जो है जब जब आप हाईवेज पे जाओगे आपका कोई टोल टैक्स का चक्कर नहीं है। बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जिनकी जिनकी वजह से कई बार क्या होता है हमारा ट्रांसपोर्टेशन लेट हो जाता है। तो ये पाइपलाइंस की वजह से थिंग्स हैव बिकम क्वाइट इजी, और बहुत इजी मूवमेंट है ये, ठीक है। एक बार आपने डाल दिया तो आपको पता है कि वो हाँ वहीं जाके निकलेगा। अब वो अलग बात है कि अगर हम इसके डिसएडवांटेजेस गिनने पे आए तो इसके डिसएडवांटेजेस भी बहुत हैं, बट अभी हम यहाँ पे इसके एडवांटेजेस की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो पाइपलाइंस आप ये समझ लो रिसेंट पास्ट में बहुत ज्यादा डेवलप हुए हैं, और इसकी वजह से नेशनल इंटरनेशनली भी हमें ट्रांसपोर्ट करने में बहुत ईजी हो जाता है, ठीक है।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
फाइन, यस जुझार, कैरी ऑन नाउ।
Ballari, Chitradurga, Chikamagaluru, and Tumakuru
Tumakuru
belt in Karnataka
हम्म
has a large reserve of iron ore. The Kudremukh mines, located in western Ghats of Karnataka, are a 100% export unit. Kudremukh deposits are known to be one of the largest in the world. The ore is transported as slurry through a pipeline to a port near Mangaluru.
हम्म
La- Fourth point. Maharashtra Goa belt include the state of Goa and Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra. Though the ores are not of very high quality, yet they are efficiently exploited. Iron ore is exported through
मामगांव
Marmagaon
मामगांव पोर्ट।
and manganese. Manganese is mainly used in the manufacturing of steel and ferromanganese alloy. Nearly 10 kg of manganese is required to manufacture 1 ton of steel. It is also used in manufacturing of bleaching powder, insecticide, and paint. Non-ferrous minerals. India's reserves and production of non-ferrous mineral is not very satisfactory. However, these minerals, which include copper, bauxite, lead, zinc, and gold, play a vital role in the number of metallurgical, engineering, and electrical industries. Let us study the distribution of copper and bauxite. Copper. India is critically deficient in the reserves and production of copper, being malleable, ductile, and a good conductor. Copper is mainly used in electrical cables and chemical industries. The Balghat mines in Madhya Pradesh, Khetri mines in Rajasthan, and
Khetri mines in Rajasthan.
Singhbhum district of Jharkhand are leading producers of copper. Bauxite. Though several ores contain aluminium, it is from bauxite, a clay-like substance, that alumina and later aluminium is obtained. Bauxite deposits are formed by the decomposition of a wide variety of rocks rich in aluminium silicates. Aluminium is an important metal because it combines the strength of metals such as iron with extreme lightness and also with good conductivity and great malleability. India's bauxite deposits are mainly found in the Amarkan- Amarkantak Plateau, Maikal Hills, and the plateau region of Bilaspur and Katni. Odisha was the largest bauxite producer state in India in 2016-17. Panchpatmali deposits in Koraput districts are the most important bauxite deposits in the state. Non-metallic minerals.
Okay. Anything up till here to be explained, class?
Ma'am, what is alumina?
Batao. Anybody in the class who can tell what is alumina?
Maybe the stage before the complete aluminum is manufactured.
Exactly.
Yes.
वही है.
The
हाँ.
ore of aluminum.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo. Carry on. Can we have Samarth reading?
May I?
Wait, Naina. हाँ, Samarth,
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ो बेटा. जहां से इन्होंने छोड़ा है जुझार ने.
Non-metallic minerals. Mica. Mica is a mineral made up of a series of plates or leaves. It splits easily into thin sheets. These sheets can be so thin that 1,000 can be layered into a mica sheet of a few centimeters high. Mica can be clear, black, green, red yellow, or brown. Due to its excellent dielectric strength, low power loss factor, insulating properties, and resistant to high voltage. Mica is one of the most indispensable minerals used in electric and electronic industries. Mica deposits are found in the northern edge of the Chotanagpur Plateau. Koderma, Gaya, Hazaribagh belt of Jharkhand is the leading producer. In Rajasthan, the major mica producing area is around Ajmer. Nellore mica belt of Andhra Pradesh is also an important producer in the country. Rock minerals.
Okay.
Limestone is found in association with rocks composed of calcium carbonates or calcium and magnesium carbonates. It is found in sedimentary rocks of most geological formations. Limestone is the basic raw material for the cement industry and essential for smelting iron ore in the blast furnace. Hazards of mining. Have you ever wondered about the efforts the miners make in making life comfortable?
Okay, wait, Samarth. Wait.
Ma'am, do we need to read?
हाँ नहीं, ये पढ़ना जरूरी है, पर अभी 2 मिनट रुको. बेटा, आप लोगों ने जो माइनिंग हैजार्ड्स है उनके बारे में क्या पढ़ा है? आपने प्रीवियस क्लासेस में पढ़ा होगा कि माइनिंग हैजार्ड्स क्या होते हैं. एनीबॉडी इन द क्लास? कनिका?
Ma'am, toxic fumes
Ma'am,
and
suffocation.
dust particles
ठीक है. स्तुति?
which cause suffocation.
स्तुति?
Yes, ma'am.
Stuti, are you there?
Ma'am, actually, she's facing a lot of issues today
चलो ठीक
with
है.
her network.
चलो, वो आज बहुत सारे बच्चों के साथ ये प्रॉब्लम है. लेट इट बी. अभय, आर यू देयर? अब है अच्छा, anybody? Okay, Pavni, tell. What have you heard about the hazards of mining? Pavni?
Ma'am, yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, because of the dust which is produced because of mining, it causes a lot of air pollution,
Hmm.
and also the slurry part which goes into the rivers that causes water pollution too.
Okay, if we talk about coal mines, then yes, Yash.
Ma'am, in coal mines,
Degradation of
we need.
land and soil,
Hmm.
and the miners are suffocated by coal fumes.
Huh. Do you know? Well, I think somewhere in 1970s, some of the coal mines which are there in the Chota Nagpur region, especially now that belt is in Jharkhand. Wait, Viresh. Now there, because of the like many of the miners, those who were there, they lost their lives. Do you know what was the reason behind it? Was that fire that behind the deaths of those miners, or some other reasons were there? Akansha?
Collapsing roofs.
Yes, Naina?
Ma'am, it could be that also, that like the rocks, or they collapse and they fall on the
Nahin,
workers.
no, only I'm talking about the fire that was there. Akansha?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell.
Ma'am, I have not heard about it.
Acha. Any
Ma'am, may I?
Gargi, wait, Gargi.
Ma'am, I guess the coal mines exploded or something.
Nahin. Just now you all gave me the reasons. Mining
Ma'am, may I
hazards.
tell?
Yes, Daksh.
Ma'am, suffocation.
Ma'am, just when they like the coal mine was burned, it produced many fumes which were toxic. That's why they died.
See, people, yes, Gargi, because of suffocation. These coal miners, those who were there, they did not die because of the fire. They died because of the suffocation, because of the gas that was released. And these mines, they are quite deep inside. It is not easy to escape from there. And many of the people, government was very much
Like
concerned
in the
about
film Bharat.
भारत ऐसे तो हमने देखी नहीं है शायद. Okay, just a second. Yes, this is what I was telling. No, this Jharkhand region, where most of the coal mines are located, it is because of the plateau region. It is a plateau region, and plateau region has more of coal concentration over there. No, and moreover, the rivers which we have over there, they are also helpful in getting them. आप देखो सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स में सबसे ज्यादा कोल पाया जाता है. यस.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो बिकॉज उन एरियाज में वहां पे बहुत ज्यादा जो है सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स का कंपोजिशन है, इसीलिए वहां पे सबसे ज्यादा कोल माइंस हैं. अगर आप देखो तो पहले ये वाला जो बेल्ट था, ये पहले बिहार का पार्ट था, पर जब झारखंड बनने के बाद दे हैव बिकम पार्ट ऑफ झारखंड. ठीक है, तभी तो अभी हमने आपसे क्या पूछा था कि जो जो मालवा प्लेट्यू है आपका, मालवा हुआ, डेक्कन प्लेट्यू हुआ, और जो आपका छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू है, अगर आप ध्यान से देखो, मैप है आपका, आई थिंक ऑन पेज नंबर, आई विल टेल यू, पेज 59 पे जो पेज 59 पे जो मैप
54.
है, नहीं, पेज 59 पे जो आपका मैप है, आई थिंक कन्वेंशनल एनर्जी रिसोर्सेज जहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, कोल फील्ड्स है, कोल माइंस है.
Yes, ma'am.
तो
Ma'am,
ये जो आपका
coal, oil, and natural gas.
हाँ, कोल फील्ड्स और कोल माइंस जो हैं आपकी, ये एक ही स्पेसिफिक एरियाज में कंसंट्रेटेड हैं. अगर आप देखो तो स्पेशली जो छोटा नागपुर वाला रीजन है, वहां पे है ये.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो
Yes,
ये
ma'am, and
इसलिए क्योंकि
Assam area also.
हाँ, वो उसने लिखा ना कि भाई जो आयरन ओर है या जो कोल है, जो आयरन ओर का कंसंट्रेशन, देखो जहां पे भी कोल माइंस होंगी वहां पे आयरन ओर होगा ही होगा। आप देखो जितने भी हमारे आयरन और स्टील इंडस्ट्रीज हैं, दे आर ऑल कंसंट्रेटेड इन दीज एरियाज ओनली। डिस्को जो है हमारा, वो यहीं पे यहीं पे तो बना हुआ है। हमने क्लास 8 में केस स्टडी में पढ़ा था, नहीं पढ़ा था?
यस मैम।
वो कौन सी रिवर है?
ma'am.
सुबर्णरेखा है, कौन सी है? उस रिवर के पास है। और मोर ओवर जियोलॉजिकल प्रोसेसेस जो थे, जब आपका ये गोंडवाना लैंड जब डिसइंटीग्रेट हुआ था, उसके बाद फिर आपका जब ये क्या बोलते हैं, नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स जब बन के आए हैं, ये सब जियोलॉजिकल प्रोसेसेस में ये सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स का जो है सबसे ज्यादा कंसंट्रेशन था। इस वजह से इन एरियाज में जो है आपका कोल माइंस बहुत ज्यादा कंसंट्रेटेड है। आई होप इट इज क्लियर नाउ यश।
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am means the geological feature and drainage system of Jharkhand made it a rich resource of concentrator.
Yes, it made it. It is all because of the geological processes that you have read in class 9th in chapter 2 physical features। जब हमने पढ़ा था, उन physical features में हमने पढ़ा था ना, वो कौन सा वाला था? गोंडवाना लैंड था और एक और क्या, टिथीज सी की वजह से जो
Yes,
भी
ma'am.
चेंजेस। हाँ, तो जब ये डेब्रिस से जब ये भरा गया था, तो जब ये भरने की वजह से सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स क्या होते हैं? सेडिमेंटेशन होती है, एक्यूमुलेशन वन ओवर अनदर। तो जो भी डेड रिमेन्स थे या जो भी सेडिमेंट्स आके जो जिस उस एरिया को जिसने कवर करा, वो ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वो सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स में जो है वो कन्फाइंड हो गया, और सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स में ही सबसे ज्यादा कोल और कोल का कंसंट्रेशन होता है। ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है। आज किसी ने बहुत बार हर्ष के नाम से, हिमांशु के नाम से जो है एंट्री लेने की कोशिश करी थी, तो लकीली दीज पीपल वर देयर इन द क्लास, तो हमने नहीं लिया उनको। ठीक है हिमांशु?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, चलिए।
Ma'am, I think they have a special respect for Himanshu and Harsh.
You can say. No, actually earlier, I never used to see that who is taking entry. I used to click on that admit all wala option, but now I have stopped doing that. Now I look into who is taking entry, and then I only allow the person to come in the meeting. Because in many of the classes, these people are creating nuisance. They are taking entries with different names. I don't know who is doing it. What is the purpose behind it? Don't know.
Ma'am, but a minute before there was someone with name Jay.
With
Yes,
name?
ma'am, even I saw.
With
Jay.
name?
Ma'am,
Jay?
Jay Gupta.
Yes, ma'am. Someone was there with Jan names also.
अच्छा, ये तो फिर वो
Ma'am, but the number of participants are still same.
Maybe someone changed his name.
हाँ, वही ना?
Ma'am, isn't there a safer option we can choose for the online classes?
We can go for Google Meet.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the safest.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Microsoft.
Any other app?
Yes,
हाँ,
ma'am.
yes,
Microsoft is also good.
Ma'am, Microsoft also.
but then does everyone has access to it?
Ma'am, it
is like
it has
the people, like the head will like join those who
Huh?
want to do the classes, and anyone else could not join. That's the reason. Like
उसके लिए
if
फिर
your name is like Daksh 10C, then only
Hmm.
Daksh 10C can come, nothing else like ABCD XYZ can come.
तो
It's
बेटा
like
वो
that
तो
in
ma'am,
इसमें भी
there
ऐसे
is
ही
the
है।
application.
इसमें भी तो ऐसा ही है। तो मीटिंग में तो हमने मीटिंग ओपन करी हुई है, इसलिए पीपल आर देयर, दे कैन कम टू द मीटिंग रूम। अगर हम मीटिंग रूम को भी
Ma'am.
लॉक कर देंगे तो कोई नहीं आ
Yes,
पाएगा।
ma'am.
वो तो
But ma'am, in
No,
that
ma'am,
only
no,
the
ma'am, no, ma'am,
original
I'm-
person can come.
Yes, ma'am. The ID of that person can only enter in that class. There are made IDs like that.
so what is the process like? Can we suggest this to principal sir?
Ma'am,
Yes,
it's like
yes,
ma'am, it's
ma'am,
like
you
ma'am, you
Using
have
as
to
well.
ma'am,
Google
it's like you have to make an
Classroom.
account.
Google Classroom is the best option, I believe, because
Yes,
many
ma'am.
of
Yes,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
ma'am.
because
many of the
there will
schools
be an
have opted
account
for
or
that.
an ID.
Ma'am,
अच्छा